Divide by two-digit numbers, word problems. Dividing by two-digit numbers in word problems often involves interpreting the problem, identifying the relevant numbers, and then applying the division process. Let's break down an example along with answers to common questions. Example: suppose you have 360 candies that you want to distribute equally among 24 children. How many candies will each child receive? Explanation. 1. Interpret the problem. We have 360 candies that we need to distribute equally among 24 children. We are essentially trying to find out how many candies each child will receive. 2. Identify the numbers. Dividend: 360 total candies. Divisor: 24 number of children. 3. Apply division. Divide the total number of candies, 360, by the number of children, 24. 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15. Each child will receive 15 candies. Question answers. Question: what if there are leftover candies after dividing equally? A. If there are leftover candies after dividing equally, it means that the total number of candies is not perfectly divisible by the number of recipients. In such cases, you can either distribute the leftovers equally if possible, or decide how to distribute them based on the situation. Question: what if the number of candies is not evenly divisible by the number of children? A. If the number of candies is not evenly divisible by the number of children, you will get a decimal quotient. In practical scenarios like this, you typically round down to the nearest whole number to ensure each child receives as much as possible without going over. Question: what if the number of children is greater than the number of candies? A. If the number of children is greater than the number of candies, you can't distribute an equal amount to each child. In such cases, you might decide to distribute as many candies as possible to each child, leaving some children without any candies. Or you might decide to distribute a different item or find an alternative solution.